Welcome to the easy to understand series of all about computers.
In this series, we're going to explain you everything about computers, starting from the fundamental concepts such as CPU, memory, etc. to advanced concepts such as programming.
This is the first video of the All About Computers series.
In this video, we will introduce you with the basics of a computer.
So let's begin with a very basic question. What is a computer?
A computer is a machine that can perform a task given to it by a human or an application or a program.
We can use a computer to write text, browse internet, listen to music and do many other similar activities.
Yes,
but how does a computer do so many things?
Let's find out. In simple terms, a computer does three basic tasks. It takes input from the user, does some processing on it, and then it returns the processed output to the user.
Wow, that was epic! Now, can you explain it with a simple example, please?
Why not? Let's think of a juicer. It also does three tasks similar to that of a computer. It takes the oranges as input from the user. It extracts the juice by processing the oranges.
Returns the juice to the user, which is the output, right?
Yes, right.
So, can we say that the juicer is also a computer?
No, not at all. The basic working of a juicer is similar to that of a computer. However, a computer can do many more things. When we think of an example of a very simple computer, we can think of a calculator.
Really? So let's talk about the calculator then.
A calculator can be considered as a very basic computer.
How come it's totally different?
Of course they are different, but they have a lot in common. Here are the physical similarities between a calculator and a computer. Similar to a computer, a calculator also requires power to operate,
which is generally provided by a battery.
Yes, a calculator also has a small keyboard for receiving input from the user. It also has a very small processor for doing arithmetic calculations.
It also has a screen to display the result.
Yes, and finally, a calculator operates similar to a computer. It takes input
or numbers,
does processing
or calculations,
and gives us the result
or the answer.
Very good. So I believe now you have understood that a calculator is also a very small computer.
Yes, but how does it do all this? What is inside a computer?
A computer is mainly made up of two components.
Screen and a box?
No, hardware and software.
Okay, but what are these?
A computer hardware is something that we can see, touch and feel.
Okay, does it mean that all the physical parts of a computer we can see, like cabinet, keyboard, mouse, speaker, etc. are hardware?
Yes, all the visible components and even the components not visible to us, which are hidden inside the computer box such as cables, motherboard, hard disk, processor, RAM, etc. They are also examples of computer hardware.
Okay, I got it. So now tell me, what is a software?
A software is something that we cannot see, but it is responsible for running the computer. It enables the computer to perform a given task.
Cannot see? If we cannot see software, how can we use it?
To understand software better, let's draw an analogy between electricity and software, as we cannot see both.
But we can see electricity in a bulb, isn't it?
No, what you see in a bulb is light, though it is created with electricity, but it is not electricity. Electricity travels through metal wires, but we cannot see the electricity flowing inside it.
Okay, I got it. But as we can see and touch a fan, can we consider it as a hardware?
Yes, we can consider fan as a hardware. Now you know that electricity, which we cannot see, is used to run a fan. Similarly, a software is used to run a computer.
But to run a fan, We give command by pressing a button. What about computer?
We also give commands to computer by using a keyboard and mouse.
Okay guys, that's all for now.
In the next video, we will talk in detail about
Similarities and differences between a human and computer.
hardware components such as processor, memory, etc. And don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe.
thank you.